Hello, I'm in a 2007 Ford Fusion, and today I'm going to show you where your charger ports, aux port, and possible USB ports are. So up front here's one of your charger ports. Might have this cover here. And then in the center, you'll see another charger port and an aux port right there in the front. And then especially if you've got like an aftermarket radio installed, often they'll run a cord off to the side or into the glove box that you can typically plug into, which might be like a USB port. And if you're having issues with any of these working, the first thing I would check are your fuses. Sometimes a burnt fuse could make these inoperable. If that doesn't work, especially if you've got just one that's not working, you might need to dig behind the plastic, either here or up here, to make sure all the connections are tight and nothing needs replaced. But that said, I hope this is helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.